Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Juvelin Cabulera. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm married, but I have no kids.
Okay.
My mm,
What is your visa situation?
my visa is canceled
And until when can you stay to look for a new job?
until March 1.
Until March 1. Okay. Please describe your last job. You worked as a for?
I work as a housemaid, all around housemaid for Pakistani family.
Okay.
Uh, I'm hardworking, honest, responsible.
Okay. What were your duties and responsibilities for that Pakistani family?
I'm cooking, ironing,
Mm-hmm.
tidy up. Mm.
Okay. So, please describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, you're going to clean the living room. How are you going to clean it?
I clean the living room. I tidy up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm brushing, vacuum the carpet,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that, uh,
After vacuuming, you put all the
you put
clean things, okay,
yeah.
in their proper places. How about the toilet? How are you going to clean the toilet?
I clean the toilet.
You put, what do you
I
put?
put
Disinfectant or you put disinfectant?
yes.
Okay. So, do you scrub the floors and the tiles, then toilet bowl? What do you do?
I clean the toilet bowl, scrub the
Okay.
floor,
Uh-huh.
and then I clean the mirror like that, arrange the things.
Okay. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
I cook Pakistani food like chicken curry, biryani, then mutton curry, like that.
Okay, so can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes,
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
I'm a honest, hardworking, loyal, and responsible.
Okay. So please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
You can hire me because I'm hardworking, loyal, honest, and responsible.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you very much for madecv.com. Thank you.